Good morning. Next article is essentials of AM transmitter. Without going into much details, because radio transmitters are not recommended for syllabus, only essentials of AM transmitter are recommended for our syllabus. So let me draw a general block diagram for a radio transmitter, and that will be Essentials of AM transmitter. Essentials of amplitude modulated radio transmitter. Essentials of amplitude modulated radio transmitter. Have I switched on? Yes. These are the essentials. These are the important parts, important blocks of amplitude modulation radio transmitter. Let us see about each of these blocks. First block is stabilized RF crystal oscillator. Stabilized RF crystal oscillator. This is radio frequency crystal oscillator. It is stabilized because the frequency generated by this RF crystal oscillator will be carrier frequency of the transmitting radio station. Transmitting radio station, broadcasting radio station. Frequency generated by stabilized RF crystal oscillator is carrier frequency of the transmitter, is carrier frequency of the broadcasting station. It should be constant, it should be stable. There should not be any deviations, variations in the carrier frequency. The deviation, if it is there, should be very, very small, negligibly small. And therefore, we need this as stabilized radio frequency crystal oscillator. Once stabilized radio frequencies are generated by this oscillator, it is amplified by a buffer power amplifier. It will be a class A buffer amplifier. Strength of this carrier frequency, strength of this carrier signal is increased by this power amplifier. Then this is audio signal or modulating signal. Modulating signal, the audio information. Audio signal, the audio information. Maybe a speech, maybe a lecture, maybe a song, maybe something audio information. This is the audio information. This audio information is collected here. Then this audio information is processed and filtered as per requirement. This audio information, this modulating signal is processed and filtered. Unwanted part is filtered out, and this audio information is processed so that audio information will be converted to electrical signal. So this block is used for audio processing and filtering. Audio wave or audio information processing and filtering is done by this block, so that the audio information, that may be a speech, that may be a song, that may be a music, anything, any audio information, it should be noiseless. There should not be any noise. It should be clear of required intensity. That is done by this. Then it is amplified by class A audio frequency amplifier. After this, class A audio frequency power amplifier is used to amplify this audio information. Then this carrier frequency signal and this modulating signal, carrier frequency signal and modulating signal are given to AM modulator, amplitude modulator circuit. This block is amplitude modulator circuit. To this block, one input is carrier frequency, carrier signal, other input is the modulating frequency or the audio signal. This carrier and this modulating waves signals modulated, amplitude modulated inside this modulator. After that, the amplitude modulated signal is amplified by linear amplifier. There may be series of linear amplifiers. Why series of linear amplifiers? To increase the power as per the requirement. To increase the power of the amplitude modulated wave as per the requirement, there may be a series of linear amplifiers. It will be followed by a power amplifier. The final block in AM radio transmitter is power amplifier. Usually this may be class B push-pull amplifier. Output of this power amplifier is given to transmitting antenna. Output of this power amplifier is given to transmitting antenna. The electrical output of this power amplifier, when given to this transmitting antenna converts this electrical signal into electromagnetic form and sends it in the space in all directions with the velocity of light. Light is electromagnetic wave, and that electromagnetic signal then may be intercepted by the antennas of receiving stations. So this is about the essentials of AM radio transmitter. This is about the essentials of AM radio transmitter. You need to remember this whole block diagram and then explain purpose, functioning of every block in this block diagram. This is about essentials of AM radio transmitter. When we go into details of this, there are different types of radio transmitters. We are not going for this, it is not mentioned for syllabus. For time being, you needed to only remember this block diagram and functioning, working of every block. This is about essentials of AM transmitter. Hope you got it. Thank you.